Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello everyone, the topic for today that we are discussing here is that Ministry of Earth Science, they have recently celebrated their 20th Foundation Day on 27th July. So on 27th July, it was the 20th Foundation Day. Right, now what does this Ministry of Earth Science do basically? It is doing research and analysis of our weather of India, right? It is making sure that there is a proper weather forecasting, right? Then they are doing research on oceanography, seismology, that is related to your earthquakes, right? Then polar research, all the factors, all the things that are related to your climate, that can be your oceans, that can be your atmosphere, right? So they are being studied by the Ministry of Earth Science. Even the soil health, right, the farm health, right, everything are being researched upon by Ministry of Earth Science. This is the organization that takes care of all these things, and it has recently completed 20 years, right? So this event was presided over by Dr. N. Kalaiselvi, the Secretary of the Ministry of Earth Science. Here certain initiatives were also launched. For example, the upgradation of the cyclone warning system. Here IMD has also announced the upgradation of cyclone warning based center in Trivandrum, Kerala into an area cyclone warning covering Kerala, Karnataka and Union Territory of Lakshadweep. That means this focus here is on cyclone, and here data will be collected and early warning will be provided to these states. Then an MOU was also signed by IMD, India Meteorological Department, right? And it was with whom? It was with ICAR Sam Nivedi. What they have established? They have established VADRU, that is Weather Driven Animal Disease Risk Forecasting Unit. That is, because of the change in the weather, there are certain disease that comes in the animals, right? So to study them, this particular MOU was signed, and this initiative was launched. Then a web platform by the name IMD Nova was launched. What is this IMD Nova? This is a web-based platform designed to track, validate and archive thunderstorm nowcast using lightning network and automatic weather station. So basically to study the lightning network, how they are formed, what is the reason for that, right, where they can struck, correct, what are the risky areas. So basically to have a proper analysis of the thunderstorms, lightnings, this particular platform, that is IMD Nova, was launched. So these are certain things that you remember about this particular topic, and the important thing to remember is that Ministry of Earth Science has recently completed 20 years and they have launched new weather initiative and ocean science initiative that we just saw. So that's all for the day, students. I hope you are watching our daily videos on regularly, so do watch them and they will be giving you a lot of information about particular topics. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.